Hello everyone, welcome back to Hacking with Kencypher. So today let's discuss if someone accesses your Wi-Fi and he is not authorized person. So let's say he's not one of your family members, he just some outsider who you don't know, he's accessing your Wi-Fi network. So how to block that access? So first of all, open up your command prompt or terminal, type ifconfig or ipconfig depending upon your operating system, then verify the IP. Now, we are going to need these first three octets, which are this 192.168.100. And this might be different for you. You might have .10 or something like that. So after that, let's copy that and let's head over to the web browser. You can use Chrome or Firefox or whatever, and we're going to be using our router to block those devices. Now type the IP 100 and then replace the last octet with 1. So as you will press enter, this will open the router settings. Now I'm using the Huawei router, so basically this is the router settings for me. So now if you have account here, you must have credentials. So if you don't have, just contact your ISP or search out for your default credentials. You can find them on Google. Just type the router type and then go to the Google to find out. Now as we are in the router setting, basically now you're in the router setting. So basically all you need to do, first go to the security, and then we have here IP filter configuration and we have MAC filter configuration. So what is this? So basically it's called like filtering which device has access to the internet or which device not. As you may see, there are two options here. One is blacklist, one is whitelist. If I click on if I just hover over this, it will show that all in blacklist, all data packets complying with the following MAC rule are prohibited from passing the device. So basically in simple words, if you put the MAC address of any device here that is connected in your network, it will block its internet access and she won't be able to use the Wi-Fi. And whitelist is only data packets complying with the following MAC rule are allowed to pass the device. So basically if you have like a large number of devices, you have like a lot of siblings at home or something like that, so blacklisting is fine for you. Just identify the device which is unauthorized and you can put that put its MAC address in here. Now IP filter is not effective for me because IPs can be changed, but MAC it's hard for people to change the MAC. So to first gain the knowledge of who is connected to your device, let's go to the status and let's go to the DHCP information. Now this DHCP information will show you all the devices that are connected to your network or Wi-Fi. So here we have all the devices. These are basically the devices which are authorized in my network. First is Android, which is my Android. Then there is Mayhem, which is my own laptop. Then there are few others which are VirtualBox machines, IPs and Macs. So then there is a friend's laptop. So basically we have this information here. So now what we can do with this information, let's say I want to block my Android internet access. So I will just copy its MAC and let's say it's unauthorized Android device. You don't in your family anyone doesn't have this type of device. So you just copy its MAC address, head over to the security, go to the MAC filter configuration and leave it to blacklist and select new, and then enter its MAC address, hit enter and apply. Now this is applied basically. So then now the device won't be able to access the internet. So if I go into my Android, I won't be able to access the internet. I am blocked, to be honest. So to remove that, if you just select that and press delete here. So this option might be vary for you from router to router. So Anyhow, if you want only, if you have like 3 to 4 devices, if you live by yourself, or you have like only one sibling and 2 family members, then you can select the whitelist. Now whitelist can be really effective. All you need to do is just put the MAC address of authorized devices, and only those devices will be will have access to the internet. Other devices who will get connected or whatever, they won't have access to the internet unless you change the settings. So I think whitelist and blacklist are both perfect in their own perspective. Blacklist is much more effective when you have like a large number of devices, like I have 100. But whitelist is effective when you have small number of devices, so you can just put authorized devices in your basically rules, and then you can only those devices can use the network and internet. Other devices won't be able to. So this is basically a good concept, a good thing to defend yourself against attackers, against unauthorized persons. So this is really a good setting provided by all the routers out there. I think 10.dot, TP-Link all have the same options, just a different interface, but you will find this option in the security. It will be like filter configuration or something like that. So you can find out, check it, test your own, and this is all for today, and I will see you guys in the next video.